Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to a new computer. First, carefully unpack your printer, removing all protective tape and packing materials. Position it on a stable, flat surface, ideally within about 3 feet of your computer. Then, connect the power cable to the printer and plug it into a wall outlet, ensuring it receives consistent power. There are several ways to connect your printer. For a direct, reliable link, use a USB cable, typically a Type-B connector on the printer side and a Type-A on your computer. For wireless convenience, connect via Wi-Fi, which allows placement anywhere within your network's range. In an office, an Ethernet cable offers a stable network connection for shared printers. Once physically connected, you'll need to install the printer drivers. If your printer came with an installation CD or DVD, insert it and follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, visit the printer manufacturer's official website, navigate to the support section, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Often, your operating system can also automatically detect and install the necessary software. After driver installation, it's crucial to print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter problems, first verify all cable connections are secure or check your Wi-Fi signal strength. For persistent issues, refer to your printer's user manual, which often contains a troubleshooting section, or contact the manufacturer's customer support for expert guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.